The refined white sugar we usually consume is artificial and doesn't contain any nutrients. From a nutritional view, refined sugar doesn't bring us anything except robbing the body of vitamins and minerals. During the process of manufacture, sulfuric acid is used on the sugar, which is why it contains sulfites and bisulfites waste. Nowadays, avoiding sugar is a tough task considering that it's present in almost any type of food. Refined sugar can be found in processed foods, sweets, snacks, sodas, and concentrated juices, making it nearly impossible not to consume too much of it, significantly increasing the risk of diabetes. We often hear about or experience sweet cravings when we can't continue our day without eating a chocolate bar or some other type of sweet. However, besides increasing our risk of diabetes, sweet cravings also cause weight gain. This is why it's so important to remove excess sugar from the body, which can cause damage to your health. Luckily for you, we're going to show you a way of removing sugar from the body in only 3 days. Cleaning the sugar from your body in 3 steps. Day 1. Drink water during your breakfast, which should consist of a cup of oatmeal with some dried fruit and 3 hard-boiled eggs. You can also drink a cup of coffee with no sugar. Take a cup of nuts as a mid-morning snack, then have chicken breast with a handful of baked pumpkin seeds, sugar beets, carrots, and pumpkin for lunch. For dinner, we recommend consuming salmon or tuna with some mushrooms and broccoli or cauliflower. Day 2. Take a cup of oatmeal with some strawberries, raspberries, or blueberries for breakfast on the second day and scrambled eggs with some spinach, from 3 eggs. Drink a glass of water during breakfast as well. Eat a cup of nuts for a snack. The lunch should consist of zucchini seasoned with thyme and vinegar and strips of red pepper and a cabbage salad with vinegar, mustard, and olive oil dressing. For dinner, you can eat sautéed vegetables steamed with fish such as cod. Day 3. Drink water throughout the day starting in the morning. For breakfast, take a cup of oatmeal with some fruit and nuts or 3 scrambled eggs with cabbage salad. A cup of nuts should be your mid-morning snack, and for lunch, we suggest chicken thighs with some herbs and spices such as thyme, rosemary, and oregano. Take a bowl of mushroom soup for dinner along with some garlic, bay leaves, celery, onions, and carrots. In order to clean your body of sugar, you need to drink water instead of sodas or fruit juices. We also recommend consuming herbal teas such as lemon and mint, red fruits, and flower teas.